and you're curious about how you can record it, draw with the iPad
Stay
and
tuned,
pencil,
stay
we have some
tuned.
devices here for you if you'd like to join us. Tag with myself or Ash.
Hey, if you all would like to join me, hey, if you all want to come see your boy, you know, send me a message. Sunday, I'm chilling at the Apple Store all day today. But today they have all these classes on how to draw, how to paint, how to sketch, how to use light, how to use dark, how to use shadow, understanding reflection, understanding depth, understanding baseline colors, understanding foundation, understanding
and then I'll show us how to take a photo with the app and
how shades of ground
so that you can walk away at the end of the hour with
the
some
image,
punctuation,
how light
hopefully
makes
a
it
nice self-portrait
emerge,
or anything that you take a picture of. We'd love to have you come and
how
join
to
us
create
with
depth, how
any
to create
device
richness, how to
and
find
listen to you.
corresponding color. Let's say a particular object you painting is green. You know, what are the corresponding colors? Maybe blue, maybe red, maybe yellow. And this is contingent and conducive on the before and after effect, like the past, present, and future of a particular, let's say, a biodegradable object. Let's say like an apple or a pear. Things that are biodegradable. Things that are biologically degradable that have a particular color. Past, present, and future, the corresponding color of the relationship to the present state of the actual painting you're drawing has a lot to do. It's like a red pepper